Happy Wednesday, everyone. I'm Brian with the Donatucci Branch Library, and today is Whoa Wednesday.
Whoa Wednesday!
So Whoa Wednesday is basically where every Wednesday I'm going to show you a new science experiment. And the science experiments are going to make you go, whoa! You get it? Alright. So today our science experiment is we're going to make a tornado using these two bottles, okay? Now one's empty, as you can see, and this one is filled with water. But to make it easier for the camera for you guys to see at home, I'm going to add a little food coloring. So I'm just going to use some green because, well, that's my favorite color. Alright? Alright? So I got the green. Now, I tried this a couple minutes ago, and the opening on these bottles are too big. So if you are using bottles like this, you see I drilled a big hole in the lid, okay? Just to make the opening a little smaller. And then you put the empty bottle on top and use some tape to fasten it on. Alright? You want to try to make it as airtight as possible so that you don't make a mess. And for any kids out there that may be watching this, get your parents' permission before you do this. Because if you make a mess and your parents get mad, I don't want you to say, well, Mr. Brian taught me how to do it. Okay? So ask your parents' permission before you do any of these science experiments. Now that we have the tape around it and it's all secure, you got your parents' permission, right? Okay, I'm just checking. Now we're ready to see the tornado. It's actually, I guess technically it will be a whirlpool though, because it's happening in water. So it's not really an air tornado, but you see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to turn this upside down and I'm going to twirl it a little bit and you're going to see what happens. Ready? See that? The little whirlwind in there? The little whirlpool in there? So what's happening is when the liquid from here is going into here, right? This one's filled with air. So that air has to have somewhere to go. So it creates the whirl because it's transferring water and air. And that's basically what's happening. So I'm going to do it one more time just to show you. That's all air coming up while the liquid's all going down. Pretty cool, right? Alright, I hope you enjoyed this science experiment this week. And check back next Wednesday and I'll have another Whoa Wednesday science experiment for you. And also be sure to check in tomorrow. It'll be Tutorial Thursday where I'm going to teach you something cool to do. Alright? So I'll see you all next time and have a good day. Bye.